Hello, students. So, today we are going to discuss some of the questions of your 11th biology, and that is presented on your screen in the form of MCQs. All right. So, let's start with the very first question that is presented on your screen. And the question says that which of the following are the characters of dinoflagellates? All right. So, this question is from the second chapter of your 11th biology, and that is biological classification. All right. So here we have to talk about the features of the dinoflagellates. All right. So this we have to see. Now, when we say about dinoflagellates, so the first option that you can see over here is that it says that the dinoflagellates are the planktonic golden yellow algae with soap box like structure. Now, the important thing to note in this point is that it is having soap box like structure. Now, this soap box like structure is a feature of the first important category of the kingdom Protista, and that is of diatoms and golden algae. All right. So this is a feature of diatoms and golden algae, which are commonly called as chrysophytes. Chrysophytes. These are commonly called chrysophytes. All right. Now, but here we have to find out the characters of dinoflagellates. So this character belongs to chrysophytes. This is not a character of dinoflagellates. So this character is actually wrong character, and it's not a character of the dinoflagellate. All right. Now, the second important character which you can see over here, the important B character which you can see. So the first character is that of the chrysophytes. It is not a character of dinoflagellates. It's a chrysophytes character and not a dinoflagellate character. So this option is wrong. It is not correct. The second option says that the B option which you can see over here is that this is marine red tide causing biflagellated protista. Now, the important point to note over here is that the important keyword to note over here is that they are biflagellated. All right. Now since this is a biflagellated protista, so the word dinoflagellate means that they are having two flagella. One is longitudinally arranged and the other is transversely arranged. So since they are biflagellated protista, so this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. So this biflagellated protista and marine red tide. Marine red tide, they are called as marine red tide because they usually cause a phenomena of red tide, which is caused because of goniolics. So red tide is caused by dinoflagellate, that is goniolics. Oh, goniolics. So B character is the true character. That means the correct character. Now the C says that they appear yellow, green, brown, blue and red in color. Now this is also the correct character of the dinoflagellate because the dinoflagellate, since they have different photosynthetic pigments present in them, so that's why they have all these important characters. So the C character is correct because they have different photosynthetic pigments present in them. So it's a correct character. due to different photosynthetic pigments found in dinoflagellates. So this is also correct. All right. Now the D option says that biflagellated organisms with pellicle. Now we have seen that these dinoflagellates, they are biflagellated organisms. So up to this point it is correct. But this pellicle character is the character of the euglenoids category of the kingdom Protista. So this pellicle is making this making this statement as an incorrect character. So this D character is also wrong. So D, this is wrong because pellicle is found in euglenoids. Pellicle is a kind of a protein rich layer which is found in euglenoids only. Is found in euglenoids and not in dinoflagellates. Alright, and the last important point is that they are saprophytic or parasitic unicellular forms. Now this statement is also incorrect because dinoflagellates are neither saprophytic nor they are parasitic. This saprophytic or parasitic character belongs to the protozoan category of the Protista, not the dinoflagellate category. So E is also wrong. Alright, so if you are going to look at the options, so the options B and C are correct. So our correct statement is the option B and C over here, this one. So this is our the correct option and the correct characters of dinoflagellates. Alright, now let's move on to the next question.